The OEA is an international association, industry association for organic and printed electronics. We have more than 200 members from 30 countries around the world, and we are promoting this industry, bringing the people together, working on several projects like a roadmap for organic and printed electronics, having demonstrator projects, doing LOPEC, the international trade show and conference here, to bring together all the players along the value chain, from materials over equipment and producers to the end user industries. And we also have strong partners from university and institutes like Cetemmsa, where we are here now for our working group meeting with almost 100 people working together to promote the industry. Here at our working group meeting at Cetemmsa, we progress with our work on the roadmap. We will publish a new roadmap next summer at LOPEC, an update on the different topics, on display, on flexible displays, on lighting, on organic photovoltaics, on sensors, smart objects, smart textiles, as Cetemmsa is working a lot of here. And we have a special topic that we call smart objects. So integrating the different components you have, it's not only about making a flexible battery or a flexible solar cell or some electronic security. It's about combining all these things to a product, to a new application that is thin, lightweight, and flexible. And we will have very nice presentations here from our members around the world on their new findings in this. I mean, it's a continuous process of developing things here. We see new applications coming up. We will see tomorrow in the presentations. New things that have been performed product-wise, but also in the material and equipment sector. But the major things is to see what's new towards applications, towards products, to bring this into the market. We see a strong movement, lots of activities in, let's say, intelligent surfaces, touch surfaces. We all have seen with the mobile phones and these things having touch displays, but this will, let's say, migrate to all kind of surfaces, intelligent surfaces, like in automotive applications, that you have not switches but a touch surface in the consoles of the car, for example. We will see a lot in packaging, in smart packages. There are, let's say, packages that light up, that guide the customer to the product. Also, we see strong activities in smart packages. For example, controlling the temperature of a product during the logistic chain. So if you have perishable goods, you can monitor this and see, well, this product, let's say this milk container, of course this will start with more expensive products, but this has been too hot, so we have to sort it out, and others that are okay. Yeah, education is an important topic. So we have a working group on education because our companies need experts. They need well-educated people. But as it's an interdisciplinary activity, printed electronics, you don't need experts that just know the materials or just have knowledge in electronics or are deep experts in printing technologies. You need a combination of this, and so we are working within OEA with a special group of experts from industry and from academia to define programs to provide the right engineers, the right scientists for the industry. And this group also had a meeting here, and we will hear tomorrow on that. The challenges we, for example, define in our roadmap on organic and printed electronics that is updated every 2 years. It's still, we have materials that are good to make some products, but to have better products, more sophisticated products, you have to improve the functionalities of the materials, like a better conductor or a higher temperature range. You can use them, and also you can process and a range where you can process them. Also, the production technologies have to be improved to have smaller feature structures, to improve the yield in a production. Having a nice sample in the lab is one thing. Bringing it to a mass production 24 hours a day around the clock is the next level. Standardization is also now coming up. There we started an activity with the IEC, the International Standardization Group for Electronics, and this is on the way. There are quite a number of funding programs from the European Commission, from national and also regional activities here. So a lot of progress is done there. What's important is to bring in also the end users into the project, to define the right targets, but also to have end users who start with the first pilot series or small series as a first step to bring these products into the market. And we have some very interesting companies here at the meeting at Cetemmsa, from, for example, automotive industries, from packaging industries, from the healthcare and the pharmaceutical industry, who are, yes, let's say, standing there and want to move with the technologists to bring things to market here. So OEA is an international organization. Is holding its meeting, let's say, around Europe and also in the US and Asia, where we go to the members' places, so that it's not only about discussions in the classroom and in the meeting rooms, but also to have a company tour and to see interesting things and interesting developments. And Cetemmsa has very nice activities, so we are happy to be here and to show to the people nice examples and products or prototypes.